Alright everyone, welcome back. Thanks for stopping by. I greatly appreciate that. So on the left, I didn't do any more on the low voltage pipes. And then starting today out, went ahead and piped out of the top of this box offset to the wall, and then another offset up through the hole. And then mounting some boxes, spreader bars to support the boxes as we go up for the lights. And then mostly had Nick do a majority of this today. He did really well. The main problem was trying to be safe where there's not that much safety, so mainly just leaning or having the ladder set up towards you and not sideways to the building so you can accidentally tip over or anything like that. As you can tell, skip this right here because it didn't have any walls built, and definitely not going to be leaning over that. And then made it up to the top of the roof right here, and then just 90'd out around the corner. Had to grind some of the corner out right there, and then just stubbed over above the door until they get that framed. And there's a little kink over there. I think Nick just accidentally manhandled that a little bit too hard. And then moving on from there, after the stairwell lighting on the one side was complete, just went ahead and made some more sleeves, some 1-inch sleeves for this DAS system, which is basically for firemen, and so they can have a good signal in case the signal goes bad. They'll have a good signal in the building if it's on fire. So for the most part, just mounted those against the studs, except for the one that was the double sheetrock that we just floated there. And then from there, I went ahead and put on the mud rings the rest of the day back on the first floor, and then also drove the lift in from outside. But this is just one of the worst products I've had to install in a really long time. It just didn't work out very well, just really finicky, and basically had to cut a hole in it just to get the box straight because the hole isn't even big enough to make the box straight. So had to get that all lined up, and it was just a nightmare. It took way too long, and the first time I've ever used them, and would never use them by choice for the rest of my life. And so yeah, anyways, that concludes my day. Alright guys, that's going to do it for today's video. Thanks for stopping by. I appreciate it. If you enjoyed, make sure to drop a like and subscribe. Check out the description for anything else, and hit the notification bell if you want to be notified when I upload or do live streams. There has been a hater hating on my scrunchie right here, so if you don't like it, you can kiss my bun. Alright y'all, peace out, God bless.